In case you haven't heard about Power BI, that's one of the tools in the market that you can use it to perform data analysis. So I know from my experience that there are a lot of people that they are using Excel to do any kind of analysis with data. But the question is there a better way to automate your reporting? Is there a better way to analyze your data, get faster insights? And the answer is yes. Once you have the data and you clean it, can you better analyze it and visualize it? And that's where Power BI gets in, okay? So Power BI, it's a powerful platform. It's a whole ecosystem that allows you to actually get data from any kind of a data source. So any data source in a digital form can be connected to Power BI. There are more than 100 connectors. So you can connect to Excel files, TXT files, databases, web sources, a lot of different kind of data sources. And you can create a data model and upgrade your reports. And once you connect to these data sources and you clean the data, and there's nothing like that.